Welcome to akYtec Cloud. Today we will explain how to add a new device to the cloud. In our example, we will be using the akYtec MV210 device. Let's get started. Once you have logged into akYtec Cloud, go to Administration, then click on Devices and click the Add button. A window for device registration will appear. First, select the device type. If you are trying to connect an akYtec device, you can find the template for that device in the folders. Some folders will contain two templates, Auto Detection and Manual Settings. Auto Detection is ideal for an easy and fast setup, while Manual Settings offer deeper control. If you are trying to connect third-party devices with the akYtec gateway to the cloud, select Arbitrary Modbus device. Here we will go to the Input/Output Modules folder and select MV210 Auto Detection. Next, in the ID field, insert the serial number of your device. Depending on the type of device you want to add, akYtec Cloud will notify you which serial number must be inserted, because when you are establishing connection via gateway serial number is needed. A tip for everyone: the serial number can be found on the side of your device, or in case that you are using MX210 device, it can be read from akYtec Tool Pro by pressing the Device Information button. Next, insert the Modbus slave address of your device. In our case, the MV210 has a factory default address, like all MX210 devices do, which cannot be changed, and it is set to 1. If you are using akYtec or third-party devices that need to be connected via a gateway, check their Modbus slave address. Give your device a name, select the category of your project where the device belongs, choose the time zone, and click the Create button. Now your device has been registered on akYtec Cloud. In the general settings, it is important to set up the connection correctly. For our case, where we are using the MV210, we need to insert the password. The password is a mandatory field if you are connecting an akYtec device using its Ethernet port, such as the PR103, MX210, and PLCs. Once the password has been entered, click the Save button, and that is the end. For those using Auto Detection, this marks the end of the process, so you can click on the View Device button and wait a few minutes until the cloud finds and reads all the data from the connected device. For those who are connecting devices like the PR200, MX110, or third-party devices that need to be connected via gateway, the password field doesn't exist, but the communication fields must be set up. Click the Save button to implement changes. After that, go to Parameter Settings. Here you can click on the plus symbol to add each parameter you want to be visible or controlled by the cloud, one by one. Give the parameter a name, assign it a code for faster recognition and distinction, select the read and write function, and fill in the register address field. If you forgot the register address or any other information about parameter, go to User Guide for the product and find it in Modbus register table. At the end, choose the data format, the unit of measurement, and select the precision if you need decimal points. A very important step is to set up the byte and register ordering properly. If you are unsure of the ordering on your akYtec device, go to Tool Pros P, Waterlist, or ALP. Then, select the same configuration in the cloud. Finally, click the Save button. Repeat this process for each parameter, and that's it. Now, you can go to Device View to see its values. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. To learn more about akYtec Cloud, check out our other videos on YouTube and follow us on social media.